Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine. Right. So in the last class, what we discussed, even I had given a homework. Right. What is the homework for you people are given? That is solve the exercise number 1.1 in a HW. That I told you as a homework. Right. So I hope everyone done your homework. Right. So today we'll begin with the exercise number 1.2. Okay. So start the exercise number 1.2. What is the first main given? Exercise number 1.2. In that, the first one is the write the following numbers in a place value chart given below. Okay, they given us some numbers here. Okay, totally how many they given? 8 numbers they given here. We have to write it in the place value chart. Okay, so as same as a 1.1 only. Okay, so first write the place value chart here. That is ones. And here will be tens, this will be hundreds, okay, and here thousands, and here 10,000s, next lakh, and here 10 lakh, right, and after that crore, and here will be 10 crore. So this is the place value chart, right. So in exercise number 1.1, what we discussed in exercise number 1.1, till only 10 lakh we discussed. But in exercise number 1.2, we are discussing about the crore and 10 crore. Okay. So that is the difference between the 1.1 and 1.2 here. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Getting everyone what I am saying here? So they given us some numbers here. You have to write in this place value chart. Here ones is there, next will be tens and hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, and here will be crore, and here will be 10 crore is there. Okay. So now write the numbers. What is the first number here? The first number is 8 question. Visible, right? Yes. I will write here questions. Numbers they given. That we are writing here. Okay. So what is the first number? 7, 0. Right. So 1's place value is here 0. And what is the 10's place value here? That will be the 4. And next, what is the 100 place value? That will be the 9 here. Next, 1000 place value is 5. And 10,000 place value is 3. And in lakh, 0 is there. In 10 lakh, again it is 0. What is the crore value here? 7 crore. So what is the number here? The 7 crore 35,940. Understanding what I am saying here? 7 crore 35,000. Because in lakh and 10 lakh, there will be 0 is there. Then it means what? No lakh value is there. Then it is a 7 crore 35,940. So that is the number here, the given, right? So now next, go for the next number. What is the next number here? Next number is 8,477,16,76,534. This is the next number. Write it in a place value chart. So in one's place, what is the number? In one's place, 4 is there. Next, in tens place, 3. And next, in 100 place, 5 is there. Next, in 1000 place, 6. Next, in 10,000 place, that will be 7. Next, in a lakh place, what is the value? 7 is there. Next, in 10 lakh, 1. In crore, 8 we are having. So what is the number here? How to read this number? 8 crore 17 lakh 76,534 here. Okay. So this is the number 8 crore 17 lakh 76,534. This is the number we are having here. Okay. So now we go for the seed one. What is the seed question here? So this could be the seed only, right? So this is seed 1. And now I will get a big one. Okay, don't get this. So here 20, 60, and 700. Now write the numbers. I hope everyone understood. So I will write directly now. Okay. You also write in your test books. Everyone write all this one in a test books. Everyone write. Okay. Now only you have to write in test books. Okay. So what is the value here? How to read this number? 9,23,068,000. Sorry, 9,23 lakh here. Okay. 9,23 lakh 68,700 is the number. Understanding? 9,23 lakh 68,700. That is the number. Okay. Next, deep one. What's the deep one here? 005. Okay. So now write the number in the place where it's at first. 0, 0, and here is the 7, 2, and here 0, 9, 1. So how to read this number? 1,90,27,005. Okay. Once again read it with me. So 1,90,27,005. That is the number name here. Next, go for the eighth one. What is the eighth one here? Now write the number in the place where you are. So 1, 2, 3, here 8, next will be 7, and here will be 6, and here 5, and here will be 4, and here 3. Right? So here, see, 34 crore here. Okay, till now we are having only crore value. Here we got a 10 crore also, right? So how to read this number? 34 crore 56 lakh 78,123. Understanding what I am saying here? 34 crore 56 lakh 78,123. Once again read. 34 crore 56 lakh 78,123. That is the number name. Okay. So next we go for the next one. What's the next question here? 20 crore 5 lakh 7,086. Okay. Write your values first. 0, 0, and here will be 7, 0 here, and here will be 5, here 0, 0, 2. So how to read this number? 20 crore 5 lakh 7,008. 20 crore 5 lakh 7,008. That is the number. Next, G. 87 crore 45 lakh 98,540. Now write the number in the place where you start first. That is 3, 4, 5 here. Next 8. Here will be 9, 5, 4, 7, and here 8. So how to read this number here? 87 crore 45 lakh 98,543. Understanding? 87 crore 45 lakh 98,543. That is the number. Okay. So next, last one, H. 60 crore 47 lakh 97,234. So write here 4, 3, and here 2. Next value is 7 here. Next 9. And here also 7. Next 4, 0, 6. So how to read this number here? This will be the 60 crore 47 lakh 97,234. Getting everyone? 60 crore 47 lakh 97,234. Okay. So they given us some numbers here. and we have to write that numbers in a place value chart and written on the board. Okay, so just copy, otherwise write it yourself in textbook first. Okay, after that write it in a HW. So shall we move to the next main? Yes. So what is the next main here? Write the place value of 2. They given here, right? Okay, we'll go for that one now. Second. What is the second main question here? That is, write the place value of 2 in each of the following. Okay. So they given us some numbers here. 4 numbers they given here. We have to write the place value of 2 in those 4 numbers. Okay. So what is the first number here? Place value of 2. You have to write. So first question is, what is the first question here? 2 crore 16 lakh 33,174. And what is the second number? Write the questions first, everyone. Okay. So here 4 crore 32 lakh. Next will be the 55,009. Next seat one. What is the seat one here? 25 crore 76 lakh. 19,366. Next B one. 12 crore 81 lakh 17,401. Okay. So these are the 4 numbers they given, right? So these are the 4 numbers they given. Now what we have to do here? We have to write the place value of 2 in each of that number. Okay. So in this number, here will be the 2 is there. So what is the place value of 2 here? Place value of 2 is a crore, right? So for crore, how many zeros here? For crore, how many zeros? 7 zeros. So right here, 7 zeros. Okay? See here. Yes. How many items? 3, 2, 6. Sorry, 8 items, right? Only 7 you have to write. 7 you have to write. I written on the 8, so I just want to rub it. See here, 7 zeros. For crore, 7 zeros are there. So write the 7 zeros. 2 crore. What is the place value of 2 here? Place value of 2 is 2 crore. Okay? Place value of 2 is 2 crore. This is the place value of 2 in this number. Okay? In next number, where this 2 here, we are having the 2. Right? So what is the place value? Count here. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. This will be the lakh. Right? So 2 lakh. For lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Right? 2 lakh. Here place value for 2 is 2 lakh. Next, where is we are having 2 here? Here. Means it is in a 10 crore place value, right? So 10 crore means you have to write here a 20 crore. Okay, for that 10 crore, how many zeros? 8 zeros. So write the 8 zeros here. 6. Okay. So here the place value for 2 in this number is a 20 crore. Okay. Next one, see here. Where is 2? We are having here. Same as like a first one. That will be the 2 crore. For crore, we have to write the 7 zeros. Okay. So these are the place value of 2. In first number 2 crore, in second number 2 lakh, in third number 20 crore and in the fourth number 2 crore. This is the place value for 2 in this given numbers. Okay. So next we'll write the third main now. What is the third main here? Rewrite the numbers. Rewrite the numbers by putting a commas and write the number name. Okay. Third one. So first rewrite those numbers and after that write the number name. So first one A number is 89 3 2 5 4 2 3 6. Right? How to write a one after putting a comma? See here. That is 8 9 3 2 5 4 2 3. Put a comma here. So it will be there. How to read this number? 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. That number name how to write here. How to write number name? See here. That will be the. I'll write here. Okay. So here 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. Okay. 8 crore 93 lakh 25,423. That is the number name. Okay. So we'll write the next one now. What is the next one here? 53912643 is there. So here write 12643. Okay. So now write the number name. That is 5 crore 39 lakh 12,643. Okay. So that is the number. 5 crore 39 lakh 12,643 is the number name. So next another 2 are there. Another 2 numbers are there. That is seat 1. Seat 1 6 5 7 4 0 6 0 2. So 6 5 7 4 0 6 0 2. So it is a 65 crore 74 lakh. Next 6,002. Such 65 crore 74 lakh 6,002. This is the number name. Getting everyone? And the last D one, do it yourself, everyone. Okay, D one, write it yourself. I won't write on the board. D one, do it yourself. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next main. What is the next main here? Write in the expanded form of a number. So, write in the expanded form of a number. Okay. Fourth main. D1, do it yourself. Third main. I done 3 rows. 1 is for you. So, next, fourth main is there. Write the expanded expanded form of the number. What is the first number they given here? 1,39,07,652. And what is the big one number? 34,9,87,126. Okay, and seed one. What is the seed one number here? 73,45,621. Write the expanded form. Here 1 is 4 means here you have to write the 7 zeros plus 30 lakh means into 6 zeros plus 5 zeros here. Okay, next 0 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 4. This is the expanded form. You know already how to write the expanded form, right? So write everyone. Okay, next 4 crore rupees plus 0 plus 9 lakh plus 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 6. Next. So next will be 20 crore is there. So it is 8 zeros plus 0 plus 70 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 4. So this is the expanded form of the given numbers. Okay. So the last main is write in the standard form. Fifth main. Last main is write it in the standard form. Standard form means they given the expanded form of a number. You have to write it in a standard form. Only write the answers here. For question, refer the textbook only. So here fifth main, eighth one, and B1 and C1. What is the answer for first one? See here. They given a first value will be 3 crore they given. 3 crore. Next 90 lakh they given, right? So here 90 lakh. Next will be 62,001. Okay. So this is the number first one. And next one is a 9 crore and lakh place value will be 00. That will be given a 42,628 is the number.